Hey everyone, I'm at 103 Gulfwinds Drive East in Palm Harbor, Baywood Village. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It is a full remodel. It needs a roof and it needs updating, but it is a solid concrete block house on a beautiful lot here in Baywood Village. Big corner driveway. So let's take you inside. Living here is Baywood 5, so you do have access to the boat ramp. It is a very nominal fee, optional HOA, and you only have to join it if you want to use the boat ramp. So you've got the living room, dining room combination here. Slider to out back. And then you've got another little family room here. Let's let you see it. It's a little dry bar right there. Kitchen. And then back into the dining room. So really you could use this as an office, you could use it for a sitting room. Bedrooms are over here. We've got the master here that has access to the back porch. Hey there, master bathroom. Trying to get everything in here. Master closet. And then we've got the other guest bathroom right here with a tub, sink, shower. Second bedroom. This is at the front of the house. And third bedroom, again, back at the front of the house. Closets. We've got a back patio here and a beautiful backyard. There is like a little atrium here. It does need to be cleaned up off top. You can do that when you do the roof. Backyard. Decent sized backyard. It's pretty. Vinyl fencing over there and then wood fence all the way around, so it is fenced in. Big side yard. And there you have it. 103 Gulfwinds Drive East, Palm Harbor, Florida, Baywood Village.